Now you may be wondering, how do you weigh a large suitcase on a normal weighing machine that's for people? When you do that, you see it wobbles, you can't see it, but if you've got a stool, like an IKEA stool I have here, you put this upside down. As you can see, it's zeroing out. That's an error, of course. Let that go when it's gone. Put it on top on one side, leaving the other space clear underneath, like this so. Then you zero it out. There we go. It's going to zero out now. When that's done, you just put it on top. And there we go. Job done. This is how to weigh any suitcases that you have. You can even put it up like this if you want to. So there are different ways of doing that. Just be careful when you're loading and unloading. Thank you for watching. Right, the second way would be to basically first you weigh yourself. So you stand up, weigh yourself. So 81.5, and then you zero it out again. And if it's not a heavy suitcase, I wouldn't recommend it if it's heavier than 30 kg or so. So you weigh both of them together. 90.7 minus 81.5, and that's another way of finding out how much does a suitcase weigh on a normal weighing machine. Thank you for watching. I'll come up with some more useful advice soon.